Open it up. Open your present, Mama. What's that? I can't see from there. Is the thing coming out? Like, open it, baby. Don't eat the paper, crazy. Open the gift. Oh, what's that? Hey, what you got there? You don't like it? What's that, baby? Yeah. You want to open another one? Let's open this one. What's that one? What is it? Open it! Tear it! What's inside? You want to eat the paper, crazy? Don't eat the paper. Open the presents. Open the presents. Oh, you got a purse. Let's see what's inside the purse. Turn around the purse so that way we can see the front of it. Oh, look at that purse. Let's open it. What's inside? Look, a bracelet. Oh, that's so pretty. And a mirror. And what else? Money. Is that $1 for your purse? And what else? Oh, you got your keys for your car. And what else? Oh, look at your lipstick. You got some lipstick? Let me see you eat your lipstick. Oh, that's a pretty purse. Yeah.